Hello all, welcome back. And if you haven't been here before, welcome. Had a friend of mine contact me from Canada and he asked, what type of containers do you use in your garden? And I replied back, yes. Um, I'm not your typical container gardening guy. I have 20-gallon containers here that hold about 2.6 cubic feet of soil, and then I use 10-gallon grow bags that you'll see here with the potatoes and over here with the cucumbers that are coming up. Those hold about 1.5 to 1.75 cubic feet of soil. I use those pretty regularly. As you can see, I've got a lot of 10-gallon containers out here. The beets in the front there, those are in what they call a 2-gallon container. But the one behind it with the mustard greens, that's a 10-gallon container. But then I also use this dilapidated, leaky, bad water trough. It's 70 gallons. I use that as well. So, what container should you use for your container garden? Well, if you look at this, that's what they call a 2-gallon pot, and I have 2 squash plants growing in that. I'm going to be opening that up, separating those 2 out, and putting those 2 into 10-gallon containers to let them finish growing out. I also have containers that I pulled off of Amazon that are usually like window type containers or something that you would use for flowers. And all of these, except for this one, is being used for flowers. This is being used for bunching onions. Is it going to work? I don't know. I'm just going to try it, see how it goes. 5-gallon buckets. I got lucky. There was an auction online. They had some 7-gallon buckets that were mismarked, mislabeled. And they said, hey, here they are, mismarked, mislabeled. Looked at it, looked at the triangle. They're a 1, which means they're food safe. So I've got blue Hubbard squash growing in this one and in that one. So I'm going to grow those in there. The vast majority of the containers that I grow in are mineral tubs that are used for cattle. There's a mineral blend, which is mostly molasses and some other minerals that are mixed in. And the cattle's lick out of those and they get good. If you look out there in the back, you can see I've got a mineral tub out back right now that my cattle are working out of. I also have a Tidy Cat container. Blew me away. When I turned it over, guess what? On the bottom, it showed it's food safe. So, what should you use for your container garden? Anything you can put your hands on that is food safe will be good for you to use for a container garden. Hope everybody's doing good. Y'all take care. Ask me questions if you got them. Talk to you soon.